So the unit is still on. It says cool on the inside of the house. So the unit's on, but the fan blower stopped blowing. And it's also very, very burning hot to the touch.